Alrighty, so this is part two. Basically, the reboot it should ask you what kind of keyboard you have in your region. And then you'll end up with this screen if you're using Pro or Enterprise or Education, which is the ones you want to use. And what you're going to do is actually, so you don't have to set up a Microsoft account. You're going to say set up for an organization. Click next. You actually widen this. And then it wants you to create a Microsoft account. You can if you want, but the easiest thing is just to say domain join instead. Now, we're not going to join a domain as part of this class. We might add it as a special thing maybe near the end. But click that for now. And then you can just make your name. Okay. And then basically, it'll ask you to make a password. I'm going to skip it for now. But you can make a password. And obviously, if it was in production, you would make a password. This is just asking you if you want to basically have your, and we'll talk about this more this semester, but allowing when you make changes to this device or so on, your history can be copied to other windows you log into. And we'll get more into that. So I'll say no for that one for now. And of course, do you want to use Cortana? I'll say okay. And it's up to you. You read the privacy settings. Do you care if it gives diagnostic data to Microsoft and so on? And I'll let you decide how you want to do that for yourself. And then we're almost there. And then it'll run through this little high setup, getting things ready for you. And then once you see the desktop, you're ready to go. And then please just send a screenshot of that desktop, upload it, so I can make sure that I know you have a great machine that you can use for the semester. And we're ready to go. Talk to you soon.